Hey, what's up with it, y'all? Welcome to my podcast, Cold Narratives. I'm your host, Iceberg Green. About to let y'all hear some of these cold narratives. Check it out. Hey, what's up with it, y'all? Iceberg Green. So today I got some breaking news. This is from Fox 2 News. So they have this Bill 745. This act has been in place since 2021, and it's called the California Racial Justice Act. And what it's doing is preventing all these judges, DAs, lawyers from prosecuting Black people specifically and giving them more enhancements and all these things of this nature. And it's affecting them as disproportionately as it would be as to a white person, Asian person, even Hispanic people. They don't get as much time as Black people, and that's just a fact. But check this out.
First of its kind decision here in California, a judge has ruled that Contra Costa County prosecutors have disproportionately targeted Black people with special circumstance gang-related charges. These criminal enhancements carry longer prison sentences and can eliminate the chance for parole. The decision by Contra Costa County Judge David Goldstein last week found that Black defendants were more than 40% likely to be targeted with special circumstance, gang murder charges than non-Black defendants. The findings were based on data during a 7-year period. The judge's ruling led to the dismissal of enhanced charges against 4 Bay Area men accused of fatally shooting a man to benefit an Oakland gang.
This is the first ruling anywhere in the state under the California Racial Justice Act where a judge has thrown out a charge or sentencing enhancement based on a disparity in charging, that one race has been charged more seriously than other races. It's a big deal.
Contra Costa County prosecutor Dinah Becton said that she was not surprised by these findings.
As district attorneys, we have to all do the work to implement these changes. That includes making sure that we have adequate resources in place, that we have policies that give clear direction to the attorneys in our office, and we have usable data that will assist us in reporting outcomes in a transparent way to our elected leaders and to the public that we serve.
Becton said the findings offer an important tool toward bringing about change to the criminal justice system and its treatment of Black and brown people, not only in the county, but across the state.
Okay, so if you follow my channel, you know that I did something about the Antioch police, and that is Contra Costa County, about those racial text messages and how degrading they were. But now they actually have put this out there now. This has been in act since 2021, and this is actually the first case in California where the DA had to reverse some charges under this act. So I'm just upping y'all some game. All my people facing charges, this is something that could help y'all. And it's been there since 2021. So if you down facing some charges that you felt like you were racially targeted and they were biased, this is an act for you, man. So pay attention. And I believe not all, but some of the cases, really mostly against Black Americans, are racially motivated, and we face more time based on that bias. So let me just give you an example. Say someone get caught with some drugs, an ounce. Let's just throw a number out there. He may get 5 years, probation included. Same charge. White man, he's going to get probation. I'm just telling y'all how it works. Same amount of drugs, he's going to get probation. Black man, 5 years with probation. That's just how it works in the system. That's just one example. So many different other ones. I just gave y'all one.
745 now puts a stop to all of that. If there's a case filed by the district attorney and the defense attorney believes that the DA is seeking a conviction or overcharging the case with all of these ridiculous charges and long sentences, and you believe that that might be racially motivated, this statute gives your defense attorney powerful new tools to go ask for discovery from the prosecutor and say, explain to me why you're being so hard on my client in this case when you've got other cases with white defendants or other defendants in other groups, and you're not going after them nearly as hard. This law also applies if you've already been sentenced. If you believe that your prosecution, your sentence was affected by your race, ethnicity, or national origin, you can actually go into court after the fact, have the judge take a new look at the case and say, you know what, I think those factors played a role, and I'm going to vacate your sentence, or I'm going to reduce your sentence.
Okay, y'all, so that was Chambers Law Firm, and I got that game off YouTube, man. I'm telling y'all, so YouTube can actually be used correctly, and it will help you and give you some game if you use it correctly. All right, y'all, man, so that's just tell me what y'all think about that, and if you're down doing time, stay in that law library, man, and come home. I'm out. Y'all get ready, man. Y'all know the midterms coming up.
and they about to have everybody messed up with how they gonna do it. You got all these different parties, man, fight for these different agendas with black people. I want to say, what have they done for your vote? You got to think, years and years and years you've been voting for these people. What have they actually done for you? Whether you this side Republican, that side liberal, conservative, what have they done for black people? I understand, I've seen what they've done for other groups. What have they done for you black people? Black Americans, foundational. What have they done for y'all? You vote for them, make your vote count, man. Tangibles. Make sure they give you something for this vote this year. Y'all don't just take in your time and vote for these people and not know what's gonna happen with your vote. So this is from Iceberg Green. Stay tuned in, Cold Narratives. I got more to say about this issue, and y'all should have more to say about this issue. 2023, make your vote count. Foundational Black Americans, make your vote count. Reparations with the check.
I want to thank you all for tuning in. I also want to say God bless those going through the struggle, and make sure you watch out for them cold narratives that the government trying to push on us, y'all. And to all my black people, I will be nothing without y'all. God bless you all.